हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने एक्सेलरेशन के टॉपिक को कवर किया था। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड अपॉन इट। सो आवर फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल इज अ कार अटेन्स 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन 20 seconds after it starts from rest. Find the acceleration of the car. So here the initial velocity of a car is which is represented by small u is 0 kilometer per hour. Why? Because the car starts from the rest position and in the rest position the initial velocity always 0. We can also write it as 0 meter per second, and our final velocity is, that is small v, 54 kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. So 54 into 1000, because 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 54 into 1000 upon 3600. Why? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So how many seconds are there in 1 hour? So this is 60 into 60 seconds. So the answer is 3600. If we cancel these two zeros, we have 15 meter per second. This is the final velocity. And in the question, the time is 20 seconds. So the acceleration is v minus u upon t, which is equal to 15 meter per second minus 0 meter per second and upon में 20. 15 upon 20 is 3 by 4, which is nothing but 0.75 meter per second square. How? So see, this is 15 meter per second. The whole above is meter per second. And in the denominator, time is 20 seconds. So the unit is meter per second square. The next question is, an object is moving up an inclined plane. Its velocity changes from 15 centimeter per second to 10 centimeter per second in 2 seconds. What is its acceleration? तो यहाँ पे आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं दी हुई है, इंक्लाइंड प्लेन दिया हुआ है. इंक्लाइंड प्लेन क्या होता है? स्लैंटेड लाइन होती है. और यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है और इसमें इसकी जो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी थी वो थी 15 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड और बाद में इसकी जो वेलोसिटी हो गई 10 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. ये इस तरीके का प्लेन है ये. अब आपको इसका एक्सेलरेशन बताना है. सो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है which is represented by small u, 15 centimeter per second, and final velocity is small v, which is 10 centimeter per second, and time taken is 2 seconds. So we have the formula, acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon mid time. We have the value of v, 10 centimeter per second minus 15 centimeter per second upon में 2. This is minus 5 upon 2 and this is minus 2.5 centimeter per second square. So this is the acceleration. Here there is a negative sign. नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ पे शो कर रहा है कि इसमें जो एक्सेलरेशन हुआ वो एक्चुअल में रिटार्डेशन हुआ है. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने इस रिटार्डेशन की डेफिनेशन पढ़ी थी कि जब आपकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से कम होती है, जैसे इस केस में दी हुई है फाइनल वेलोसिटी 10 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड है और इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 15 है, तो इसमें इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू फाइनल वेलोसिटी. तो उस केस में जो आपका एक्सेलरेशन आता है वो नेगेटिव आता है और नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन रिटार्डेशन या डेसिलरेशन को शो करता है. Now the third one, a train traveling at 36 km per hour speeds up to 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find the acceleration. Again, इसमें जो इसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है दैट इज़ 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड बाद में उसकी वेलोसिटी चेंज हो गई है 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर और टाइम टेकन है 10 सेकेंड्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट kilometer per hour into meter per seconds. Why? Because time is given in seconds. Small u 36 kilometer per hour which is equal to 36 into 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters upon 3600 because 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. We cancel the two zeros, 36 and 36. We have 10 meter per second. This is our initial velocity. Now final velocity represented by small v which is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. So this is 72 into 1000 upon 3600. This will cut and we have 20 meter per second final velocity. And we know the time taken is 10 seconds. So the acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t which is 20 minus 10 meter per second upon 10. The difference between two velocities is 10. Time taken is also 10. So the acceleration is 1 meter per second square. Now the next question is, this is also the similar kind of question as we done before. Here initial velocity is 54 km per hour and the final velocity is 72 km per hour. So first of all we convert it into meter per second. (54 kilometer per hour) which is equal to 54 into 1000 upon 3600 . Again this is 15 meter per second. This is our initial velocity and the final velocity is 72 km per hour which is nothing but 72 into 1000 upon 3600. This will cancel out and final velocity is 20 meter per second. T here given is 5 seconds. So acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t which is equal to 20 meter per seconds minus 15 meter per seconds upon 5 seconds. We have 5 upon 5 meter per second square. So the acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square. So this is the answer. So this is all about today's video. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. थैंक यू.